Fidelity is a user-friendly platform for buying ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Here's a step-by-step process. Log into your Fidelity account at fidelity.com or the mobile app. Fund your account. Ensure you have money in your brokerage account. Go to Transfers to link and transfer from your bank. Search for ETFs. Use the search bar at the top. Type the ETF ticker, for example, VTI, SPY, QQQ, or keywords like S&P 500 ETF. Select the ETF. Click on the desired ETF to view details, performance, fees, and holdings. Place the order. Click Trade or Buy. Choose Buy. Enter the number of shares or dollar amount. Select order type, market, immediate, or limit, specific price. Review and submit. Confirm the order. Important tips for beginners. Most Fidelity ETFs have $0 commissions. Start with popular broad market ETFs like VOO or VXS. Consider expense ratios, lower is better. Use Fidelity's research tools and screener. Diversify and invest consistently.